The Google Pixel 8a is finally here, promising to be the smartest A-series phone yet. With impressive upgrades and new features, it's making a strong case for being the best mid-range smartphone on the market. But does it really live up to the hype? We've put it through its paces, testing the camera, performance, battery life, and those much talked about AI capabilities. Stay tuned to see why the Pixel 8a might just be your next smartphone. The link for this phone is in the description. Design and build quality. The Google Pixel 8a stands out with its compact and lightweight design, perfect for those who prefer a phone that fits easily into pockets and small bags. It features a plastic back that feels smooth to the touch, coupled with an aluminum frame that adds a touch of sturdiness and a premium feel. This combination ensures the phone is both durable and comfortable to hold. The Pixel 8a is IP67 rated, meaning it can withstand dust and can be submerged in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This makes it a reliable companion for everyday adventures without worrying about accidental splashes or dust exposure. Aesthetically, the phone sports a large, bar-shaped camera bump that houses its dual camera setup, giving it a distinctive look. The bezels around the display are quite noticeable, lending the device a somewhat mid-range appearance. However, these design choices do not detract from its overall charm. The back of the phone is available in vibrant colors that look appealing and provide a good grip, reducing the chances of accidental slips. The rounded corners and curved edges contribute to a comfortable hand feel, making it a pleasure to use daily. Display. The Google Pixel 8a comes with a 6.1-inch OLED display that offers a crisp 1080p resolution. This screen size strikes a balance between providing ample viewing space and keeping the phone compact enough to handle easily. The OLED technology ensures vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing the overall viewing experience. One of the standout features of this display is the 120 Hz refresh rate. This means that scrolling through apps, browsing websites, and playing games feel incredibly smooth and responsive. The high refresh rate is a significant upgrade from previous models, making interactions with the screen more enjoyable. When it comes to brightness, the Pixel 8a doesn't disappoint. It can reach up to 750 nits when adjusted manually, which is bright enough for most indoor settings. With auto brightness enabled, it can boost up to an impressive 1,500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility, even under direct sunlight. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, providing a layer of durability against scratches and minor drops. However, the thick bezels around the screen are noticeable. While they do make the phone look a bit less sleek compared to some competitors, they don't detract from the overall functionality and visual appeal of the display. Performance. In the performance section, the Google Pixel 8a is powered by the Tensor G3 chipset. It is a strong performer designed by Google. This chip ensures smooth and efficient performance for everyday tasks, from browsing social media to handling multiple apps simultaneously. Whether you're texting, streaming videos, or browsing the web, the Pixel 8a keeps up without breaking a sweat. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. You can switch between apps seamlessly without any noticeable lag. The phone offers 2 storage options, 128 GB and 256 GB. This means plenty of space for your photos, apps, and games, though it lacks expandable storage via microSD. Gaming on the Pixel 8a is quite decent, thanks to the Tensor G3. It handles popular games with ease, delivering smooth graphics and responsive gameplay. However, during extended gaming sessions or heavy use, the phone tends to get warm. Thermal management isn't the best, and you might notice some throttling after prolonged use. In benchmark tests, the Pixel 8a performs well compared to other mid-range phones, though it doesn't reach flagship levels. It offers reliable performance for its price range, making it a solid choice for users who need a capable and responsive phone for daily activities. Software and features. The Google Pixel 8a runs on stock Android 14, offering a clean and smooth user experience. This version of Android is free from bloatware, providing a fast and responsive interface. One of the standout features is the AI-based functionalities, such as Circle to Search, which lets you quickly find information, and real-time translation, perfect for conversations in different languages. The Pixel 8a benefits from Google's commitment to monthly updates and a remarkable 7 years of software support. This ensures your phone stays secure and up-to-date with the latest features. Additional perks include call screening to avoid spam calls, customizable AI wallpapers, and a handy recorder transcription tool that converts speech to text accurately. Audio. For delivering impressive sound quality, the Google Pixel 8a features stereo speakers. These speakers provide clear and loud audio, making it great for watching videos and listening to music. While the audio quality is solid, especially in the mid and high ranges, the bass might not be as punchy as in some higher-end models. However, the phone lacks a headphone jack, so you'll need to rely on Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming or use a USB-C adapter for wired headphones. The Bluetooth performance is reliable, ensuring a stable connection for your wireless earbuds or speakers. This makes it convenient for on-the-go listening without the hassle of cables. Biometrics and security. Unlocking the Google Pixel 8a is quick and easy, thanks to the under-display fingerprint scanner. It's fast and reliable, ensuring you can access your phone without delays. Additionally, the Face Unlock feature works smoothly, providing an alternative way to secure your device. Both of these methods store your biometrics securely with the Titan M2 security chip, adding an extra layer of protection to your personal data. Camera performance. The Google Pixel 8a boasts a versatile dual camera setup, featuring a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Photos taken with the main camera are detailed and sharp, with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens allows for expansive shots, capturing more of the scene without significant distortion. In low-light conditions, the Pixel 8a impresses with its night mode. It automatically enhances photos, making them brighter and clearer even in dim environments. The main camera's digital zoom up to 2x is usable, though it's best to avoid pushing it too far, as detail can get lost. The selfie camera has a 13-megapixel sensor that produces great quality photos. It offers 2 zoom levels, ensuring you get the perfect shot, whether it's a close-up or a group selfie. The camera captures skin tones naturally and performs well even in challenging lighting. Video recording is another strong suit of the Pixel 8a. It can shoot in 4K resolution, delivering crisp and clear footage. The electronic stabilization works effectively to smooth out any shakiness, and in low light, the video quality remains decent, although slightly underexposed. Overall, the Pixel 8a's camera performance is impressive for a phone in its price range. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a 4,492 mAh battery, the Google Pixel 8a provides a solid power source for daily use. In real-world conditions, this battery can easily last through a full day of moderate use, including browsing, social media, and streaming. On average, you can expect around 6 hours of screen-on time, making it reliable for most users. Charging the Pixel 8a, however, can feel a bit slow. It supports 18-watt wired charging, which takes over an hour and a half to fully charge from zero. This isn't the fastest, especially compared to some mid-range competitors that offer quicker charging solutions. Wireless charging is available, which is a nice convenience, though it's also not the fastest option out there. Compared to other mid-range phones, the Pixel 8a's battery performance holds up well. It competes favorably with devices in the same price range, offering a balance of battery life and charging convenience. While it might not have the fastest charging speeds, the wireless charging feature adds a layer of flexibility that can be quite handy in everyday situations. Price and value. The Google Pixel 8a is priced at $499, placing it in a competitive spot among mid-range smartphones. When comparing it to rivals like the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Nothing Phone 2A, the Pixel 8a holds its own with a solid set of features. For $499, you're getting a phone with a bright 6.1-inch OLED display, the powerful Tensor G3 chipset, and a reliable dual-camera setup. The 7 years of software support are a standout feature, ensuring your phone stays up to date and secure longer than most competitors. This level of support is uncommon in this price range and adds significant value. The Pixel 8a's build quality, with its plastic back and aluminum frame, offers a good balance of durability and aesthetics. The IP67 rating for water and dust resistance also provides peace of mind. While the charging speeds could be faster, the addition of wireless charging is a convenient perk. Overall, the Google Pixel 8a offers a compelling package for its price, balancing performance, features, and long-term support. This makes it a strong contender in the mid-range market, providing excellent value for those looking for a dependable and feature-rich smartphone. So, what do you think about the Google Pixel 8a? Is it the mid-range phone you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and the link for this phone is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching.